All right, hey Minas, this is Mike. I'm going to do a quick video for you. I've got the home right in front of me here. It's a nice home. It's got a good floor plan to it. I think it will work for you. So the community here is Stony Brook, as I mentioned, one of the nicer communities. Really quiet, really peaceful. It's a great sunny day outside today. All in all, we really like this community. Every time we get a home in this community, we always enjoy it. So the home's got a carport, single car. There's an entrance off to the side here, and then straight ahead looks like there's a storage shed. I haven't gone in there yet. I'm not sure if I have a key, but storage. We'll go in the front door. So when you walk in, hardwood floor here into the living room. There is a single step right here, just a kind of a standard single step, so I thought I would just highlight that. I think you saw this from the photos. Dining room, a lot of light, a lot of windows. We'll go this way first, but again, big vaulted ceiling here. It's probably got, I don't know, maybe a 10-12 foot ceiling at the high point, and then over this area here is your standard 9-foot. Yeah, it's a 9-foot ceiling here. Bedrooms are off that side, but we'll go through this area here, the kitchen first. So kitchen is tiled. This is the side door going back out to the carport. And then over here we've got a pantry, which I'll open in a second, and then there's your kitchen. So all the appliances look fairly new, as we mentioned. I think he said they were all from 2014. So, you know, electric, Samsung cooktop, sink, kind of standard countertops, nothing special about these. And you've got your pretty nice refrigerator. It's one of the deep refrigerators. The person still lives here, so a lot of stuff in it. Freezers down the bottom, and then here's your pantry here. So a decent size pantry. Storage along the top, and that's pretty much it for the kitchen. But then behind me, the tiled area extends all the way back here. So this can be probably your breakfast area. Maybe use this as you know, where you would maybe have additional storage, things you want to store, a table, all kinds of options on what to use in this space. Honestly, one of the future projects may be to open this little doorway up. So just kind of open this up into having this area merge with the living room, and have the living room and this kitchen area all together. Might be an option. It's probably worth it down the road. And it's very simple to do. Going out the back door here, so we have this stone patio area. And then back here is the backyard. Not flat, it kind of slopes up there, but it is fully fenced in. And you can see the fence goes all the way around the house. There's a little shed over there in the back corner. And then you've got the roof up here is aged. I would say it's probably pretty close to the end of its life. I'm sure the home inspector will say the same. So I'd probably budget to replace it within the next year or two, based on my quick analysis. But certainly we'll get a home inspector to take a better look. Here's your electrical exterior electrical meter, and then the sliding door back out over here. So we'll go back through the home. Back through the living room again. Windows back to the back of the house. Off to the right here, I believe, is a coat closet. It is. So double doors, shelving up top, coat closet here. We'll do the master bedroom first. So off to the right, there's 2 bedrooms. This one is the master. You'll notice that the hardwoods continue into the master. Decent sized bed. That is a king bed. Actually, that's the same exact bed I have. So king bed here, plenty of space, as you can see, with side tables on both, or little end tables, night tables on both sides. There is a walk-in closet. It does have, pretty cool, has some shelving on here, so that's pretty good. Shelving all the way up, and then off to the left side here is your hangers. And then around the back side is another closet with some shelves, and then some more hangers down below and above. So hangers, two closets in the bedroom, and then just beyond this is the bathroom. So this is the ensuite in the master, walk-in shower, sink, plenty of storage. It's got two windows right behind us. Probably want to keep those closed generally, but looks great when the windows are open. There is a small little tiny step right there, or just like a ledge. I'm not sure why they did that, but you know, it's about a ½ inch or an inch tall at most, maybe ½ inch. So here we are, that's the bathroom. So back out to the bedroom. And then we'll go this way into bedroom number 2. Smaller bedroom. It's got one closet, standard closet there. We'll go on to third bedroom. But before we get there, we'll make a pivot here to the laundry room. So laundry room and your HVAC and your hot water here are here behind this little door here. So this will close, or should close. Yeah. I imagine they probably keep it open most of the time. 2 further bedrooms here, but we'll go to the bathroom first. This is a really nice bathroom. Mostly updated, looks halfway nice. Certainly meets all the standards. Nice tile floors, full tub. And then of course we've got another bedroom. This looks like has brand new carpet in here, at least from what I can tell. This room has the attic access point and closet in here, standard size closet. I assume these are all the original metal folding doors. These accordion doors are certainly 1970s era. And then another bedroom, which is interesting. This one has the hardwood that goes into the bedroom. Looks like a little smaller. This is probably best used for maybe an office, home office or something like that. And then there's one small little door here. Okay, so this is your linen closet. So a lot of shelves right next to the laundry room. And that's pretty much it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms. This bathroom supports those 2 rooms as well as that bedroom, and of course the master has its own bathroom around the corner there onto the left. In terms of the size of the bedrooms, the master is great. This room is okay. This room is perhaps the biggest of the, maybe about the same size. This room and the room in the front of the house are about the same size, and then this room here is the smallest. We can go get dimensions, but it's probably only maybe about 9 feet deep by maybe 10 feet wide-ish, somewhere around there. And with that, we'll head back out to the front and back to the entrance. I will send this to you, and certainly we can go through it, and if you have any other questions, I'll work to get them. Thermostat's over here, I just saw, so just get a quick picture of that. And I'll work on, see if I can get some of the age of the systems while I'm here as well. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.